Now, just like not too long ago, we spoke about the issue of lying. And these little white lies everybody talks about. Oh, that wasn't anything. Oh, I didn't really mean it. I was just playing. Realize, brothers and sisters, that lies are lies. And a lot of us, it's harder for us to kick that habit because we grew up understanding that little white lies are important, or not important, that they're not even really looked at as lies, but they are. We're Muslim now. And we have to remember this. We can't just do it because everyone else is doing it. We need to understand that Allah does not like lies, and He does not like people to be liars. So we need to do our best, the best that we can, not to be from these people and not to take part in these actions.